Welcome to Emax India. As everyone is busy nowadays, they are not able to make admit card for students due to lack of time. So Emax has brought for you a tool through which you can give admit card to students in few simple clicks. And this makes your institute looks a professional institute. So for this, firstly you have to fill your ID and password in Emax India login website option. Then you will receive a dashboard page here. You have to select student option here. When you select student option, you will receive a page of total student list. When you open total student list option, you can select that student which you want to provide their admit card for examination. So as for demo, we are selecting here two students for admit cards. Then we have to select the third option of green button, print student admit card. When we select this option, here we receive the subject in which we have to conduct their exam. So as for option, we are selecting DCA course here. For date in which you want to take their exam, just like we are selecting 17th of July for that. And start time of their examination is 2 p.m. It's for example only. And end time of their examination, we have to select here. After this, there is option of add button. If you select this option for this, if you want to provide two examination of students, then you have to select the second exam subject, that date, their exam time starting and end time. If you want to exam only one exam you have to take, then you don't need to select the add option. You can delete that one also. And when you select all these details, you have to click on generate admit card. When you click on generate admit card option, you will receive a page where student details are there with their admit cards. As you can see there, as we fill their subjects, their date of examination, the time of their examination, you can see here the both of two students details are there available. So how students can download this admit card? For this, firstly we have to copy this roll number of student. Then we have to go on Emax website. There is an option of admit card download. When student go on this option, they have to fill their roll number here and click on. By clicking submit, you agree to our terms and condition, visitor agreement and privacy policy. You have to click this option and click on search button. You will receive an option of download admit card. When students click on download admit card, they will receive their admit card here. As you can see here, they will receive their admit card with complete details. They also can download their admit card through their ID panels. After this, you have to go on student option. Then you have to select on that time clear selection option. As you can see here, every time whenever you select your students, you have to, after work completion, you have to click on clear selection option so that the students you selected, the next time the student will be automatically not selected. So today we learned how we can provide students admit card through our admin panel. So just like that, if you have any feedback or update about your panel, please share them with us. Your feedback helps Emax India get better. Thank you.